This is Troy just taking off the hair underneath for the hair system to be fitted. Troy was just saying that he don't like going in videos.
That's it.
And Lewis is in so many, it's not funny, isn't it, Lewis? But we won't say where we find those videos, is that right? New template for Lewis that Troy's just done. And we're all full of masks, aren't we?
That's it.
What do you normally have, Lewis, for your attachments?
Glue.
Glue all the way over?
Yeah.
What, in the middle and everything?
I don't put anything really in the middle, because I've tape in the middle.
Yeah. So just at the front you use glue?
No, you use glue at the back as well.
Alright. You look about 10.
About 10? I recall 18 ones.
How young are you now?
Pardon?
How old are you now? Yeah, how old are you?
27?
20 wow.
Well, 27 or 26? Where have I got that extra year from?
Round it up.
That's a worry.
I'm about 40.
I think you should copy. I think you should copy what you say, Troy.
But the clean-up's going to be 5 minutes instead of half an hour.
Yeah.
When you do take it
He
off.
said he was going to do the glue thing at the front.
Yeah, so when you do glue at the front like mine,
Yeah.
especially because it's later, it looks much better. You tape around the back, maybe I'll put some extra glue just underneath, just so you get that extra bit of stickiness. All depends on how long you want it to last. If you want it to last, if you want to try tape just on its own, see how it gets on, we don't put the glue underneath.
Let's see me put glue on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You go for the full shebang?
Yeah.
Cool.
So Lewis is using the ultra hold tape, and you can see from the system of the highlights through the middle, blonde highlights which are spots on the skin system. So Troy's putting Ghost Bomb Platinum on, and like you said, you're going above the lace, aren't you, into the skin bit?
Yeah, so it's just underneath where the tape would sit,
Yeah.
because if it does go underneath, it's not going to stop it from sticking.
Yeah.
But I'd rather it was fully covered from up to the lace
Yeah.
to get a good bond.
Good bond. How many coats will you do?
I always do 2 coats. Some people get along with 1, some people get along with 3. You know, my advice is when you're doing it at home, if you've got enough to do 3 coats, might as well not waste the glue.
Yeah.
If you've only got enough for 1, always add more.
And how many do you do at home, Lewis?
2.
2. Well, I know it's going to be a good glue because look how it's taken already.
Yeah, it dries off really
It's
quickly then.
completely disappearing, so that's always a good sign.
I'll make sure I can see where it is.
With me, it just sits for ages and I end up having to stand in front of the aircon.
Yeah, well,
So this is disappearing straight
with me,
away.
I'm the same. When I put mine on, it just literally disappears.
That's why you bond better than me then.
That's it.
Yeah, the old troll, yeah.
We use it sometimes under tape just because of a poly band, and it can it just makes it really sticky, get you a really good bond.
So
Don't
you're
recommend
going
using it on lace though, because obviously you can use it on lace. A bit like you get sometimes with like when your glue's gone on for too long, it can seep through.
Yeah, that would.
If that happens with this, it's going to take a lot to get out of your hair. All right.
Troy's just putting some ultra hold on top of the ultra hold tape, which will most likely give it a 3-week hold.
Oh, at least.
Yeah.
I mean, with mine, I tend to get at least 3 weeks, and if it's not too short, too long underneath,
Yeah.
I then add a little bit extra of this, and I'll get another 3 weeks. So I can sometimes leave mine on for 6
Wow.
at a push.
And you can see the tape there that you've done a bit crisscross, haven't you?
Yeah, I
Just
call
for
it a
extra
turtle
support.
shell, but
Yeah.
it's just so it gives some extra support, especially if you've got like a longer template.
Yeah.
Just so if you have like a shorter template, you don't really need this one.
Yeah, I agree.
Whereas with me,
It's
I always
quite-
do like a D.
Yeah, it's quite long in depth. That one.
Yeah, especially if you're doing tape and glue.
Yeah.
Bring your head back slightly for me, buddy. There you go, same. Head forward slightly. So when you put it on, it can feel quite tight.
Yeah, that feels
That's
better.
a good thing.
Yeah.
checking the bond, brushing it out to make sure nothing's gone underneath. Really natural, isn't it?
It's good system. Very sorry.
Yeah, it looks fab on you.
Yeah, but even like halfway through cutting, I said to him, like, just the way he's cut it and everything, it's just 10 times better.
Excellent.
Apart from, I believe like this, like, I'm not mad at it.
That looks like a work of art, Troy.
How's that feel for you, buddy?
Yeah, that's good.
Shit.
That's good. That's great. Yeah.
Alright, buddy. So, as I said, just give it a little while, see how you feel. If you do feel like you need more, obviously there's ways around that.
Yeah,
But
like I said, it shrinks up and settles
yeah,
down.
exactly. So I'd always say like leave it a bit longer.
Well, yeah, I'm trying to make the same mistakes, so.
Yeah, try not to make the same, like you said, you made mistakes in the past where you've gone really short and then gone, uh-oh. Because I've got quite a bit of hairspray, mate, just so you don't play with it.
Okay.
Basically with a new one we tend to do it so people don't go outside and start going pulling that hairline straight away.
Yeah.
It's like I've seen them do it.
So it gives the chance for the adhesive to
Settle down.
settle down. Cool. You can give me the thumbs up?
Yeah.